Hello everyone, my name is Abrar. I recently purchased Airtel 4G hotspot. My SIM is yet to be activated, so meanwhile I will unbox it in this video. Don't forget to share, comment, like and subscribe for more Airtel 4G videos. Now let's unbox it. Purchased it for 2400 Indian rupees here in Hyderabad with 6 GB data for 1 month. We have the Airtel 4G hotspot device itself with a battery of 1500 mAh which promises to deliver 6 hours of battery backup with fully charged. Both are of Huawei branded. This is our data SIM, which can also be used as a regular SIM if inserted in a mobile. They have two variants, that is postpaid and prepaid. I opted for prepaid version. In box we have some documents like safety information, quick start information which show how to configure etc. And this is the bill obviously. I will open the device and insert battery and SIM. It is LTE Cat 4 mobile Wi-Fi. It can connect up to 10 devices including tablets, laptops, PCs, smartphones, etc. Supports 2.4 as well as 5 GHz bands. It also supports a double external antenna interface. To activate the hotspot, just hold the power button for 5 seconds. It will light up green on right side which shows the battery is full and green on left side if the signal strength is full. That's it for now. I will upload 4G speed video once my SIM gets activated. Hope to see you guys in my next video. So don't forget to share, comment, subscribe and like. Peace.